Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTecher. In this video, I'm going to do the Moto G55 Power unboxing and setup initial review on the Moto device. So let's get started guys with the unboxing, and this is the open box delivery. So the Flipkart delivery agent did open the device to make sure that the phone is present in the box. So let me to quickly unbox and let me to show you exactly what are the box contents available in the device. So this is a Moto G57 Power. So this is how the device looks like. So which definitely feels pretty premium, I would say. So let me power it on and let me to keep the phone aside. And we do get the USB to Type-C cable in the box and also charger adapter as well. As you can see guys. So this is a charger adapter. And the phone has got the Snapdragon first 6S Gen 4 chipset which is present in the device. That's something which is pretty unique about this phone. And apart from that, the phone do have the 7000 mAh of battery capacity in this device. That's also really good, I would say, for the 7000 mAh battery. And I got this device after doing the exchange with one of my Realme phone. But for this kind of price range, it's definitely really pretty good deal, I would say. So right now, let me quickly start the setup process. Let's skip that SIM card installation. Skip it. Setup offline, continue. So let me to click more, accept. Let me to adjust the time. So date is December. So December 11th, time 12:22. Time has been set successfully. Let me to skip this pin setup as well. So let's go to the home page and let me to show you exactly. Skip, no thanks, skip. So let me select the button options in the beginning and later I can change. So light. So the complete Moto has been successfully set up. As you can see guys, this is a Moto G55 Power. So which has got the 8GB RAM and 128GB inbuilt storage which is present in this device. That's pretty good. Overall, the device has been completely set up as you can see here. And these are some bloatware like inbuilt apps which came with the device. As you can see, there's nothing much apart from these apps available. And the phone did come with some charged battery in this device, like close to like 61% of the battery is there at this moment. And this is a Realme G55 Power, as you can see guys. So 8 plus 4GB of RAM boost is available. Storage out of 128GB, 16GB is already used in this device. So RAM expansion is also available up to like, wow, 16GB. You can actually extend that much. So that's also pretty good. So all these are quick details about the device. In terms of the battery capacity, I need to do the testing, and the performance wise, Snapdragon 6S Gen 4 also I'll try to do the benchmark test in this device as soon as possible. So stay tuned for those videos guys, but definitely this feels pretty premium. There is no tampered glass or screen card came out of this box, and there is no case as well in this device. In the box there is no case, so the phone just came with the cable, charger and the device. That's all. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and bye.